Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about the Saturn transit which is going to take place on 27th of December 2020. This is an Vedic birth chart, South Indian format. For the understanding purpose, I am explaining you. At the current position, the Saturn is placed in Sagittarius, better known as Dhanusha. It is Jupiter's house. It is going to transit on 27th of December 2020 to its own sign, Capricorn. For the better understanding, let's study and proceed further. This is the current situation where the Saturn is being placed. On 27th of December 2020, it will transit to Capricorn, the own house of Saturn. Saturn has three aspects: third aspect, seventh aspect, 10th aspect. According to the Saturn's transit 2020, the planet of justice, Saturn, will transit from Sagittarius to its own zodiac sign, Capricorn, on 27th of December 2020. The zodiac signs, Sagittarius and Capricorn, have already been facing the Sadesati period, and Aquarius will be one to join their team during this year. Saturn is the ruler of Capricorn and Aquarius. As the transit will be in Capricorn, it will lead to significant changes in the life of native of all zodiac signs. Now let's study on the Sadesati or the 7.5 years transit. How is Sadesati caused? Everyone would think, what is Sadesati and how exactly it is caused? If the Saturn is transiting through the 12th, 1st and the 2nd sign from your natal moon, then it is said that the Sadesati or 7.5 years is in operation in your chart. The each house, 12th, 1st and 2nd, each will be having 2.5 years each. So it is called 7.5 years, Sadesati. These transits are categorized into three parts, which are known as the first phase, second phase and the third phase, respectively. Out of the three, the second phase is considered to be the most difficult period. It is not applicable for all the signs, but for the specific signs it's true. This is my website. I given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me for consultation through my website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at a faster rate. Thank you very much.